Emma woke up on a sunny Saturday morning. She smiled because Saturday was her favorite day. Today, she planned to meet her friend Tom at the park. But what makes today special? Tom had a surprise. Emma quickly got ready. She wore her favorite yellow dress and comfortable shoes. She packed a small bag with water and a snack. I wonder what Tom's surprise is, she thought as she walked out the door. The park was not far from Emma's home. She liked walking there. The trees were green and the flowers were many colors. Birds sang in the sky. Emma felt happy and relaxed. When Emma arrived at the park, Tom was waiting for her. He was sitting on a bench with a big colorful basket. "Hi, Emma," he called. "Are you ready for the surprise?" "Yes. What is it?" Emma asked excitedly. Tom smiled and opened the basket. It was full of food. There were sandwiches, fruits, cookies, and a big bottle of lemonade. "It's a picnic," Tom said. Emma was surprised and happy. She loved picnics. They found a nice spot under a big tree. The grass was soft and the shade was cool. Emma and Tom sat on a blanket. They talked and laughed as they ate the delicious food. The lemonade was sweet and cold. After they finished eating, Emma and Tom decided to play a game. They played catch with a small red ball. Emma caught the ball many times and Tom did too. They both liked playing games. Later, they took a walk around the park. They saw a little pond. Ducks were swimming happily. Tom threw some breadcrumbs and the ducks came closer. Emma and Tom watched them with joy. As the sun began to set, the sky turned orange and pink. Emma felt peaceful. "Thank you, Tom," she said. "This surprise picnic was wonderful." "I'm glad you liked it," Tom replied. "We should do this more often." Emma nodded. She knew that she had a good friend in Tom. They gathered their things and slowly walked back home as the evening air became cool. This day was perfect, and Emma couldn't wait for the next adventure with her friend.